Blessed Sunday, everyone. It's July 14, 2024, and it's a rainy, wonderful morning. And so, let's give thanks for all the blessings na dumating doon sa buhay natin. Kasama ang mga pagsubok, mga trials and challenges, which makes our life wonderful, beautiful, and challenging. Siyempre, exciting. Andun sa mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials at sa mga taong nakikimaritis na din doon sa paligid natin. Shout out to kay Glenda, kay Glenza Kipuchi, Magic 20, Cecil Bores, Luis Susen, Jordan and Judith Sasil, GM Ilinan, Mike Lumongo, Dolly Pistolante, John Bert Sabilina na Gitago, Samis Oriental. Jima David, Inday Araso, Elizabeth Guevara, ID Villamero, Rachel Pastalero, Lyra Isa, and Esmelo. Ripples of the day natin po is, life is perfectly imperfect. It is full of challenges, trials, and hardships, giving us room to be resentful and sad, or giving us room to grow thankful, optimistic, joyful, and blessed. And it is perfectly our choice to make. Ayun, keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Sunday, everyone.